Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. As you can see, I went to the farmer's market. I didn't get a lot of stuff. I got bitter ball, pepper, kitile, and potato greens. Peppers are so expensive in the store, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get a lot of peppers. When I'm prepping the food for the freezer, I usually don't steam the bitter ball or the potato greens. I'm just gonna wash it, slice it, and bag it. I will do the same for the potato greens. I'm gonna wash it, chop it, and also bag it. For the kitile, I usually steam it because it's so much easier to pick the stem from on it. And the peppers, I'm just gonna wash it and freeze it. I am adding some water to the kitile so it's boiling while I'm prepping the potato greens. The kitile is done boiling. I'm gonna let it cool, pick the stems, and bag it. I will start making the pepper soup. I'm also gonna be adding some coconut milk in here. If you haven't tried this before, I will repeat myself. If you haven't tried this before, I highly recommend you do. You can use any kind of meat you want to. I am using chicken, pig feet, shrimp, and smoked turkey neck. I have 1 chopped onion and about 4 habanero peppers. You can blend that if you want to. I'm also adding some bitter ball, tomatoes, garlic, some minced garlic. I am also gonna be adding a little bit of okra. You don't have to add the okra, bitter ball, or the tomatoes. It's optional. I will also start adding the seasoning, and you can use any kind of seasoning you have. You can use any amount of coconut milk you want to. I added 2 cups. One of the reasons I love to make this because it is so good, but yet so simple and easy to make. I'm adding some water and I'm just gonna put the stove on medium, or if you're in a hurry, you can put it on high. And I'm also adding the garlic now, but you can also add it at the beginning. After 20 minutes, I am now adding the shrimp. I really don't like overcooked shrimp, and the shrimp is already cooked. So I'm gonna add this in here and boil it more. You wanna keep an eye on the soup. You don't want the soup to reduce a lot, but you do want some of the liquid gone. So once you have the right amount of soup you want and you taste it and it's tasting good, it's ready. I made fresh cassava and plantain fufu. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description because I made this already. You can also have this with some jasmine rice. Girl, some jasmine rice with this soup, it is so good, okay? I hope you guys liked the video. Please share this with your family, your friends, Instagram, Facebook, and also please subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I appreciate you guys so much for all the love and support with every single one of my videos. You guys are the best. Please also leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.